Hey, Mike White here from Springfield, Missouri. I've played drums for over 30 years. I currently play in the local band Cover Charged. My stick of choice are the Collision 5B wood tip. And until just yesterday, the 5B wood tip custom. In fact, I love these. I got 6 pair of them. Great job, guys. The 5Bs are super versatile and are everything I need that our sit list demands, from heavy to soft music. What I look for in a stick is balance, feel, and response. Collision delivers all this and so much more. I have a video montage of 3 songs from our last show. The first one is a cover of Twilight Zone by Golden Earring. It showcases a fast shuffle beat easily achieved with the 5B sticks. Second is the classic Summer of '69 by Bryan Adams. It allows some drum breaks to throw in a few stick tricks. That's always fun to do. And I close out the last one with AC/DC Shoot to Thrill. Let's face it, I'm thrilled to represent the Collision brand in the Midwest, in the heart of the United States.
We're gonna do some shoot the thrill.